Creating habitats for pollinators like bees, butterflies, and other insects is essential for supporting biodiversity and ensuring the health of our ecosystems. Native plants are particularly important in this effort because they have evolved alongside local pollinators and provide the most suitable food sources and nesting sites. Here's a list of native plants for pollinators that you can consider planting in your garden or landscape. 1. Milkweed Asclepias ep. Milkweed is a must for monarch butterflies. It serves as a host plant for their caterpillars and provides nectar for adult butterflies. 2. Bee Balm Monarda spe. Bee Balm, also known as bergamot, attracts various pollinators with its colorful, tubular flowers. 3. Eastern Purple Coneflower Echinacea purpurea. This popular perennial is a favorite of both bees and butterflies, offering nectar and pollen. 4. Joe Pieweed Eutrochium seep. Joe Pieweed is a tall, late-blooming native plant that attracts a variety of pollinators, including butterflies and bees. 5. Black-eyed Susan Rudbeckia sep. These cheerful yellow flowers are excellent for attracting bees and butterflies to your garden. 6. Goldenrod Solidago sep. Goldenrod is a late-season bloomer that provides nectar for bees and other pollinators in the late summer and fall. 7. Aster Aster sep. Asters come in various species and bloom times, making them valuable for supporting pollinators throughout the growing season. 8. Wild Columbine Aquilegia canadensis. This native perennial has unique red and yellow flowers that attract hummingbirds, butterflies, and bees. 9. Virginia bluebells Mertensia virginica. Virginia bluebells offer early-season nectar for bees and are a delightful addition to woodland gardens. 10. Lightris sep. Also known as blazing star or gay feather, Lightris produces tall spikes of purple or pink flowers that attract bees and butterflies. 11. Spicebush Lindera benzoin. Spicebush is a shrub that provides nectar for early-season pollinators and serves as a host plant for the spicebush swallowtail butterfly. 12. Swamp milkweed Asclepias incarnata. A moisture-loving milkweed variety that attracts pollinators and is particularly suitable for wetland habitats. 13. Buttonbush Cephalanthus occidentalis. This shrub produces unique spherical flower clusters that attract bees and butterflies, as well as providing cover for wildlife. 14. Wild lupine Lupinus perennis. Wild lupine is a host plant for the endangered Carner blue butterfly and also attracts other pollinators. 15. Penstemon sep. Penstemons, often called beard tongues, are native wildflowers with tubular blossoms that attract hummingbirds and bees. When planting these native species, be sure to choose varieties that are native to your specific region. Additionally, consider providing a range of flowering plants that bloom at different times throughout the season to ensure a continuous food source for pollinators. Creating a diverse and pesticide-free pollinator-friendly garden can play a crucial role in conserving these essential creatures and promoting a healthier ecosystem.